I lifted and pulled this log as much as I could, but it's still wedged up there on them trees. So I need to cut this baby up for some firewood. So that's what I'm going to do today, because it's not going to rain, it says. And all it has done is rain and snowed the last 4 or 5 days. So I got to get busy. Okay, I got it half cut. Let's see if I can make another cut up there, about halfway up there. And then I can probably pull that rest of it out. Whew. It's a job, but I like it. 2 trees are cut, and 1,000 more to go. Look at all that stuff, man. Whoo-wee. I got trees coming out my ears. But it's a start. Uh-oh, what's going on over there? What's my chickens doing? What's my chickens doing? Look at them, man. They're mountain chickens now. Woohoo. Life is good. Who's came up to see me? Good boy. Alright, I gotta get this stuff moved. Stay tuned. Picked up all the wood. Try to clean up all my mess, all the sticks and branches and everything I cut. Because it's easy to come up here and cut, but you gotta clean up after yourself. Because all this stuff laying on the ground, that's, you know, you get a forest fire, that's just going to feed the fire. It's got to be cleaned up. Woohoo! Alright, now I got to go stack it in my wood pile. Friends come to see me. There's my duck. There's my hens. There's Hawk the rooster. There's Rocket the rooster. And Ramrod hiding behind a little bush right there. And there's Moose. There's Otis. And it looks like some clouds are moving in. So I better get this wood stacked. The wood stacked. If you're going to stack it, you might as well get the big stick out and swing wide. Get it all split, because no one else is going to do it for you. So there it is. It's all set up. Now I can sit there and just dry out. Life is good. Keep moving forward. Just wanted to show you one of the big purchases we made. Felt like it was a necessity. Drinking spring water. We bought this big Berkey right here. That son of a gun will clean anything. And to test this, what you do is you put a half tablespoon of red dye in the top. It comes out clear at the bottom. I'm telling you, that strains some stuff. So that was a necessity that we had to have. So we got it. So our water's clean. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and keep moving forward.